it. That's about it. And it's as simple as that. Now I is when you want to hear. ठीक है? Input monitoring. अगर input monitoring नहीं होना है तो सुनाई नहीं देनी चाहिए. But that is because यहाँ से सॉफ्टवेयर में से I need to figure this out कि यहाँ से तब भी क्यों आवाज आती है. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 are if you want to do direct mics. Because ये line level inputs है 5, 6, 7 and 8, what you can do is you can use external preamps. अगर आपके पास अपने preamps हैं जिसमें से आप mic you want to take an input, because हर एक mic preamp जैसे हमारे पास एक यहाँ है. Now this is from a famous this is a model of a famous company called Neve, made by Wonder Audio. So this you will plug into either 5, 6, 7 or 8 to get the sound of this.
This is a preamp, right?
This is a microphone preamp just like you have there. And then you have preamps here also you will. Now most sound cards, the preamps are not very good. Okay? Which is why I feel the investment into preamps is always a good thing. Any professional studio is going to have external preamps, or there are some very expensive sound cards which are beyond what Apollo is to have some really good quality inputs. Okay, so you can do line in here if you want to put mics on external preamps and mics directly into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what are the controls here? Okay, अच्छा before that दो हाई Z इनपुट्स है, हाई Z दिख रहा है, Z means impedance. ये हाई Z का इनपुट मतलब है गिटार. बेसिकली आप इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार डाल सकते हो या अकूस्टिक डाल सकते हो जिसमें केबल के साथ प्लग हो सकता है, या बेस डाल सकते हो.